What if your RAM could show you its own health, speed, and performance while your PC is still booting? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not anymore. V-Color and Gigabyte have just unveiled something truly groundbreaking: the world's first DDR5 memory modules with built-in OLED displays. And today, we're diving into why this isn't just a flashy gimmick. It could change how we monitor and tweak our PCs forever. Here's the scoop. The XFinity Plus DDR5 modules come in kits of 32, 48, and 64 gigabytes. They support Intel XMP and AMD Expo profiles with speeds up to a blistering 9066 MT per second for Intel and 9000 MT per second for AMD. For gamers and overclockers, that's top-tier performance right out of the box. But what really sets them apart is the OLED screen mounted right on the module. It can show your memory's profile, capacity, speed, timings, voltage, and even temperature in real time. And get this, it works during post, meaning you don't even need to boot into your OS to see how your RAM is performing. Each kit includes one module with the OLED display and one standard module, which makes sense because only one module is fully visible once installed. And if you're building a larger rig, there are future kits with 2 active modules plus 2 RGB fillers to keep everything symmetrical and stylish. Of course, the modules also feature customizable RGB lighting that syncs perfectly with Gigabyte motherboards using the Gigabyte Control Center. It's not just about looks. The OLED is functional, giving you real-time insights at a glance. So why does this matter? Because monitoring your memory in real time has never been this seamless. You can instantly see if your overclock is stable, check your timings, and track temperatures, all without opening software. For enthusiasts and builders, this is a game changer. The XFinity Plus DDR5 will hit mass production in Q3 2025, initially available on Newegg with wider availability soon after. Whether you're a gamer, an overclocker, or just love tech that's both smart and stylish, this one module is worth watching. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in PC tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest hardware innovations.